Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now if you are looking at this face for the very first time, hello, my name is Phalak. In this video I am going to be talking to you about this beautiful eye look and how to create this. And if you want to learn this beautiful eye look, then please hold on tight and let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I'd be using is the Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 06 Clair Moyen, and creating a thick layer and blending with my PAC beauty blender just so the eyeshadow pigments stick well and the color looks vibrant. I'm gonna be blending it completely so that my base is ready for the pigments. Next up, I'm gonna be setting my eye base with the MAC Studio Fix powder just so the concealer doesn't move. And finally, starting with the shebang, using the Huda Beauty very famous rose gold palette, I'm gonna first be taking the color henna and building my crease with it, doing the exact same thing on the other side as well. Next, I'm going to be taking the Morphe M321 brush and using the color Man Eater from the same palette and deepening my crease. I am going to intensify it as much as I can, and don't worry about it being messy. We are going to cut the crease later. Doing the exact same thing on the other side and taking time with blending. Build the color and blend until you are satisfied with how the color looks. As you can see, I have dragged the extra color that was left on my brush towards the outer end because I love how it makes my eyes look elongated. Next up, I'm going to be cutting my crease. You could use any concealer for this, but I used the NYX's Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Light Ivory to cut my crease. And yes, with a snap, the other crease is cut too. That's magic, y'all. Another palette that I used for this look is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Rivera palette, and I'm going to be using this pretty turquoise blue pressed pigment and packing it on my lid. Isn't this color just gorgeous? Again, packing the same color on the other lid. Remember to pack the color and not to blend. Now, the next thing that I'll be using is the Faces Canada Glitters Tag to just give a little sparkly blue effect to my eyes. But to stick them to my eyelid, I'm going to be using the Duo Glue from Makeup Studio, and I'm going to be packing the glitter with any synthetic fiber brush that I have. Now, let's talk about the star product of this eye look. That is the glitter balm from the Makeup Revolution in the color Teal Time. I'm going to be packing it on my eyelid. After I'm done with my lid, I'm going to be taking the mix of the color henna and Man Eater and do my lower lash line. Don't worry about it being messy. I'm going to be cleaning it later while I do my base. Next up, I'm going to be lining my waterline with Lakme Gelato Collection Kohl in the color Lagoon. And then I'm going to be using this favorite liner of mine. Oh my god, it is from the brand Sugar Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner, and the shade is 01 I'll Be Black. And last but not the least, I am going to be using my favorite lashes from the brand Hina Hina Beauty in the style Burrito. With that, the eyes are done. Now we are moving to the face, and for the face I'm going to be using the OG Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Sand and using my favorite blending brush from Pro Art AK38 and blending my foundation. This foundation is full coverage, oh my god. Now I'm going to be using the My Glam Clean Beauty Cocoa Butter Lip and Cheek Pencil in the color French Rose. and blending it again with the Pro Art brush. I just love how this product gives a natural flush of color to my cheeks. Now using the concealer from the brand NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Light Ivory and concealing my under eyes. For blending, I'm using my PAC blender. Apart from that, I'm also going to be concealing the usual areas of my face, that is around my mouth, and setting it all with my OG Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh my god, I can swear by this product. I just love it. Baking the areas I have concealed and slightly powdering the rest of my face so that the foundation doesn't move.
Kisses me every night. I just want somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody.
Alright, next up, using the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette and using the contour shade to cut my face so that the dimensions of my face are back. Before this, my face was looking all flat and dead. After contouring, it's time to bronze and bring the color back to my face. For that, I'm going to be using the Cat 1D Shade and Light palette. And using the color Shadow Play, I'm going to be using it on the areas where sun hits directly. Also, not to forget my jawline. Now, I'm going to be dusting away the powder with a fluffy powder brush. You could use any. Okay, just so every product is blended and the base looks seamless, I'm going to be dampening my beauty blender with MAC Fix Plus and running it on my face, touching very lightly so that the base looks a lot like skin. This trick I've learned from Shreya Jan, and she is the goddess of makeup. Okay, now it's time to blush. For that, I'm going to be taking this blush palette from Beauty Creation and mixing all the colors and creating a concoction and using it on my cheeks. I love doing it that way. Now, my favorite step, the highlighter. For that, I'm going to be using the MAC highlighter in the shade Whisper of Guilt and intensifying it till the highlighter god notices it. Am I not glazed in this highlighter? Ah, I love highlighting. Using the same highlighter on my brow bone and inner corners to pop the eye look even more. Now for the final steps before the look is complete, I'm going to be using my favorite concoction of lip colors. It is the lip liner from Sugar. The color is Wood by Nude and my Glam Perfect Curves lipstick in the color Passion. I really love this combination a lot. This is my go-to combination. Isn't it just perfect? Voila, the look is complete and that is the end of the video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then please don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be posting some amazing content in the near future too. Till then, take good care of yourself. I'll see you the next time. Bye.